So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can find your smartwatch noise smartwatch using the noise fit mobile application on your smartphone. In case if you lost your watch if you have been lost it on your home, you can easily vibrate your smartwatch using the noise fit mobile application on your smartphone. You need to download this application from Play Store and or in an iOS you need to download it from the App Store. This application is provided on both of the platforms. Once you download it for the first time, you need to first pair your device with it. Once you pair it, when you open this, now this is the home page of this noisefit mobile application. If you are using your device constantly with it, you all have been familiar with this. Now here on the most beloved list, you're gonna find 4 5 options which says home, challenges, friends, shop, and my device. You need to click on this option of my device. When you click there, now this is the setting of your particular device. Here you're gonna find your device name and all. It may be different for other devices, but the most of the interface is going to be same. Here you need to scroll down until you find this option of find my device. Here you're gonna see it's just right there. You just simply need to click on this option. Once you click there, here it says your device will vibrate, follow the sound vibration and find your device. Just simply hit search, and once you do that, your smartphone will start to vibrate with a full velocity and its full capacity. You can easily find that vibration sound easily, and you can easily find your smartwatch. So by this method you can easily find your device using noisefit mobile application or your smartphone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.